Hi there, my name is Tej and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the AMP token. We're going to study what it is all about, its website and price prediction. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. This is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos.
The Coingecko listing of AMP token, and currently it is priced at $0.05, and over the past 30 days it has decreased by 21%, and 24-hour period it has increased by 1%, and over the 24-hour period it has decreased by 1%. The all-time high was observed on June 16, which was $0.12 3 months ago, and the all-time low was 0.0025 multiple digits, which was on November 4, 2020, 10 months. So it kind of went all the way here to this point, which is an increase of 1994.6%, which is crazy. And then we can take a look at the chart over the span of 90 days, 180 days, 1 year, just to see how the coin has been performing at different intervals. And this is the website of AMP token. And as per the website, AMP provides assets like USDC with instant verifiable assurance for any real-world applications. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payment, fiat currency, exchange, and all of that stuff. Once staked to a partition, AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfer. And then AMP also simplifies network reward distribution once a transfer is complete. The AMP smart contract offers a variety of built-in incentive models, which includes continuous compounding and so on. All of these companies have kind of collaborated with cryptocurrency. It just shows that the cryptocurrency actually has a real-life use case scenario, and it's just going to be becoming more credible, which is going to generate the interest of the public as well. Now, when you take a look at the Twitter account, you can see it has a follower of 26.2k, which is decent because it's still a new cryptocurrency, and all the updates are posted over here, so feel free to follow them to stay updated about this project. One of the things that I would like to mention is the Trezor hardware wallet, and this is a wallet that I want you to check out just to ensure that all your cryptocurrencies stay completely safe and secure. If you would like to get this wallet, please check the link in the description box below. So after looking at the AMP's technical analysis, we can clearly see that the digital token is an upward trend, and it is currently trading above the short-term price of 20-day moving average at $0.06. Its relative strength index is shooting upwards and currently stands at 59.85. This means that more investors are welcoming the idea of adding AMP to their crypto holdings. And the market experts also believe that AMP is set to have a bullish run throughout the end of the year. And according to a wallet investor, AMP will be likely trading at $0.145 by the end of the year. Its 5-year forecast plus AMP is at $0.482. Considering its fundamental, AMP is slowly gaining more adoption every single day. And currently the protocol supports 25 digital currencies and has a presence in top crypto pools like Uniswap, Sushi, Flexa, and many others. With more and more users looking to back or collateralize their assets, AMP will become much more valuable with time. And I feel this might be a great buy for somebody who is into long-term investing. That's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.